I'm shocked that I am the only person here. And one time, being at work at 6 o'clock might have its benefits, even though I really wish I was still in bed. But there's no one here. And this is amazing. Hey guys, it's Thursday, December the 2nd. Today I work from 6 to 4. Tomorrow I work from 6 to 4. And Saturday I work from 6 to 4. Because the store opens at 7. Because it's holiday season. And people have to shop. So the detox is over for me. Oh, there he is. Detox is over for me. Over. Hey guys, today is Friday, December 3rd, 5:57 a.m. And I pull up to work and I'm like, why is the parking lot so full? Like, it's cars everywhere. I'm confused. And I'm gonna show you why. So, there's a, what is that? Bath and Body Works. And I'm just only going to assume that it's a candle sale. And I cannot believe that people are out here at 6 o'clock in the morning standing in line for some candles. Like, this holiday madness is crazy. Makes absolutely no sense to me. Never, ever would I. Never. And you can stamp that. You can stamp it. Never, ever would I be out here. Never. I don't care what type of sale is going on. I'm not doing it. You have me all the way confused. I don't even want to be at work right now. And you want me to stand in line? Oh, no. No, no, no. For some candles. Crazy. Look. What? Hey guys, so today is Sunday, December the 5th, and it is like 8 something in the morning. I am off today. Thank goodness. I have had a week at my job. I'm exhausted, mentally, physically, emotionally. Like, I'm just so tired. And I just keep thinking about money and trying to figure out how I'm making more than I was, but yet I'm still living check to check. It's like, what is going on? Anyway, we're not thinking about that right now though, because we gotta get this hair done. So y'all know what I've been using on my hair, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Like, that much is left. I went in Target yesterday, and also using the Cantu Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. But I went to Target yesterday to get another Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but I didn't want to pay the price for it. I mean, it's not bad. It was $9.99, but the way my budget was set up at that point, I couldn't. So, but I'm glad I didn't get it because I saw the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. So I got this, and I think this was like $4 something. And I've used Cantu before. Like, I really like Cantu. And I also got this Mayo Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel, infused with biotin and encourages growth. And it smells so good. It smells so good. I don't know, the first one I smelled more like mint. I'm not smelling the mint on this one, but so I'm going to be using this eventually. This was a really good price. I think this was like $6.99, and I know that's a good price for this brand, so I got it. But I'm gonna use the rest of the Shea Moisture before I start using this, so we're just gonna put this away. Okay, so what's on the agenda for today? Oh my goodness. We gotta clean the room because I'll show you later. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought for the 20% off at my store, which includes people's Christmas gifts. So I probably won't show those, but yeah. Clean the room, show y'all the stuff I bought. I have to be working out by 11 a.m. I have to leave the house at 12 p.m. to go to the grocery store. I cannot spend more than $50 in the grocery store. My usual grocery budget is somewhere around $100, but we have to cut that in half, so I don't know what I'm going to buy. And I want to go to the crystal shop to pick out a crystal for my homegirl as part of her Christmas gift. And my nephews are here. Love them. I kind of feel so bad because yesterday Troy came in, and like when I came in the house last night, I went right in the bed, ate a whole fucking bag of chips, and had a beer. And he came in the room and asked me to make him a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I kept saying, okay, give me a minute, until I clearly fell asleep. And I never made my love his peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I hope he doesn't remember that for the rest of his life. But I bought them toys when we were in TJMAXX, so I hope he remembers that part. But yeah, so I have that stuff to do. I'm supposed to be going out tonight with my sister because she has these, her birthday's December 14th. So she does the 14 days of Kristen leading up to her birthday. So today is day 6 of the 14 days of Kristen. She's been out the past 2 days living up her life. So since I go in late tomorrow, I'm gonna go out with her tonight. And so I'll be recording that too. Yeah. So there's some things to record.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you fell asleep on it.
Hair is done. I did a hair reel. We'll see how that goes.
Wait, stop. Let me see what this is.
And my nephews are up. Let's say hi.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is the one that we are on, but it just restarts it.
Say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Who is that? Oh, I mean Grand Rising.
Grand Rising. Good job. So what are we watching?
Hansel and Gretel.
Hansel and Gretel.
And who is the older one, Troy? Oh, they're the people. These ones are but not.
My car, I got water in my car too. It's been in there. So we got water for days. So what you having for breakfast?
I'm not sure yet.
Oh my God, so the paramedics had to come to my store yesterday because a customer passed out at the register. Apparently they gave her her booster shot and her flu shots on the same day. But anyway, so the paramedics came, so you know it's always like 8 of them. And so they was trying to get her off the floor. So the big guy, it was a real big guy, he went to pick her up off the floor. Oh my God, all you saw his butt crack. I was like, oh my, I don't want to like say nothing to him because he's trying to help this lady, but I'm like, dude.
I'm sure that happens all the time with him. Stop putting me on this.
You're not even on here.
Hey, Murphy, come on. Can I have a hamburger? And chicken nuggets and meat and fries and...
Why does he have Christmas lights on his head?
Think.
Okay, so this is what we're working with this morning, okay? Like, oh my God, look, that was my dinner. That was my dinner yesterday. This is the only area that looks halfway decent. I'm scared to put this on the wall. I think I mentioned this already. But I'm just gonna keep it there. That's just what I'm gonna do. And we gotta do something about this. So let me go rewarm my coffee because it's probably cold now, and get my life. I have like an hour before I need to be working out, so this will be clean in an hour. Y'all will not believe what I just did. I went to the kitchen to warm up the coffee, and instead of me walking to the microwave and opening the door, I walked to the refrigerator and opened up the freezer. I want to cry because it is clearly too much going on up here. But all I could do was laugh at myself. Like, what? And I didn't even realize what I was doing until I was halfway putting the cup in the freezer. Okay, guys, so I've decided that I'm actually gonna show y'all the stuff that I got, because I'm sure this vlog will not be up before I give these gifts. So, for my sister's birthday, again, her birthday is December 14th, I got her this, well, you can't really see it in its full capacity, but because I've added things to it, but it's this Isaac Mizrahi fur bag, as you can see. I found this really cute compact mirror that has her initial on it, and okay, and that's a Swarovski crystal there. She wears highlight. She doesn't really wear like eyeshadow like that, but she'll wear foundation and highlighter and lipstick. So I got her some highlighter from I Love Revolution. I got her this lipstick from MAC. Well, it's from TJMAXX, but it's a MAC lipstick. I think she looks really nice in a red lip, so I got her a red color. I tied this onto here so it's hanging. I don't have to wrap this because it already is pretty much wrapped. So I just added it in there, and that's for her birthday. For her Christmas gift, I have to show y'all probably in another vlog because I got I got these 4 travel cups out of Home Goods. One I'm giving to her, one I'm giving to my homegirl Artavia as part of her Christmas gift, one I'm giving to my mom, and the other one I'm keeping for myself. And I got these mugs because first of all, they have Black women all over them, and like each one pertains to each person that I'm giving it to, but they're at work, so I won't get them until tomorrow. So I don't know, probably will add it to this vlog, but you'll see it not today. So yeah, that's really cute. So let me put this away. So my mom needs a new robe bad, so I got her a new robe. Check this. Cute, furry. It has hints of oh my god, what's the purple color? Not lilac, violet. Oh, it had hints of purple in it. She loves purple. But it's gray. And she wants these slippers from Lance, and they're purple, so I thought it would be really cute with this robe. And I'm giving her the travel cup. I mean, they're like this tall, like they're really, really nice. So that's her Christmas gift. Are y'all arguing again? And didn't I tell you to leave this elf alone? Let me tell y'all how the elf works.
Huh?
The elf is not for y'all to play with. The elf is for y'all to just find every single day because he moves from place to place. You're not supposed to play with him. Oh.
Troy, when you pour them all out, now put them back in there.
Oh, these are my essential oils that I told you I had on hand. So I got eucalyptus, lemon. I got, these were $5.99. Woolsey's, a very, very, very good brand. And the size of these is amazing. Y'all know the essential oils be like this little, right? Look at this. That's what you're getting for $5.99. I love it. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. So this is for my hand sanitizers. The lemon and the eucalyptus is for my hand sanitizer. And then I got lavender and pink grapefruit for my bathroom cleaner spray. Wrap this up so it can be a trash bag in the bathroom. Wait a minute, I'm missing something. What did I do? Oh, put Artavia's earrings in the robe. I'm like, where are the earrings? I put them in the robe so they don't get messed up. But these are the earrings that I got her. And the gemstone in them is a Labradorite. You know, we are spiritual sisters, so we are very much into stones and crystals. I still have a lot to, like, as far as names go, but all the ones I have based off of what they are good for. But anyway, the Labradorite is for strength, intuition, serendipity. Labradorite is said to be a stone of transformation and magic. It's said to clear, balance, and protect the aura, as well as being an excellent stone for general protection. So I thought she would love these. The moon, and I don't really know what that's supposed to be, but yeah. So I got her these. And I got her a compact mirror too with her initial. Let me show you. See? Swarovski crystal. Oh Lord. Her earrings and her travel mug and a crystal. You know, I think she'll love it. Now let's see what I got. So, I got a bunch of workout stuff, clothes, for the most part. And I told y'all about me getting the pants, having the pants on hold. So I'm gonna show y'all. And I told y'all about the boots. Most likely previous vlog, I don't know, just watch everything. Okay, let me just show you the boots. Okay. So Tory Burch, TJMAXX, original TJMAXX price $199.99. I don't know how much they are on from Tory Burch actually, but the compare at is covered up, so I can't even tell you. Got them for $99 with an extra 20% off because it was our 20% off weekend. So cute. So cute. I mean, they do have like a little bit of scratches on them if you look really close, but other than that, baby, love my Tory Burch boots. I almost considered returning them. But I'm not gonna let my finances get to me in that manner. I deserve these boots. I work hard. I deal with a lot. I deserve this. So I'm keeping them. There's that. And I think I'm gonna keep them out so that I can do another reel. Or maybe I'll do a TikTok. I don't know, but I'm gonna do something with them. So we're gonna keep them out. So I got those. And yesterday, I got this sweater. Oh my God, I love my sweaters. It's pretty long. Rachel Zoe. Y'all know I love my animal prints. Oh, it's so warm and cozy. Has pockets. Pretty long. Fits so perfect. I love her. Love her. Love her. This was $24.99 with my 20% off. Not with the 20% off. So it was less than $24.99. So I got that. I got this sweater from Jessica Simpson. This was $16.99. I love the frayed edges at the neck and the bottom. Love it. Thought it gave it a very edgy look, and that's what I am looking for when I'm picking out clothes now, because I don't want anything too basic. I mean, the most I get of basic is like with my t-shirts or something like that, but like it gotta have something. And this was it. And this was $16.99. These are the pants that I got. This first pair is from Premise. These were on clearance for $10. They are faux leather, and they like snake skin. And it's brown, this chocolate brown. Ooh, baby. I can't wait to wear these. And these are in a extra small. That sweater was an extra small, and the cardigan sweater was an extra small. And I got another pair of faux leather. Leather is my thing. Faux leather, whatever. These were $12. These are from Max Studio, extra small. They have like this material on the inside, so they should be warm. And the pants I'm wearing tonight are faux leather as well. Look at this color. Look at that green. And these are from Zara. They're a size extra small. They're the Zara legging and high rise for $12.99. Zara price would have been $19.95. And they have these zippers on the side. And I'm wearing this tonight. I think this is gonna be real fly. With my coat that matches this color, I'm gonna wear my nude pumps, and I don't know what top I'm gonna wear, but it's gonna be fly. Y'all gonna see it anyway. Okay, and the workout clothes that I got. The workout clothes that I've had forever. And I just thought it was time to add to it. And I only get workout clothes when they are on clearance. Only. So first I got these pants from 90 Degrees by Reflex. Clearance for $8. Original $16.99. Black. Have the ribbed at the waist and at the ankle and on the side. And to go with that, I got this Puma top, which is ribbed as well. And white, has this peachy straps in the back. This was $8, originally $12.99. I got it in a size small. Suggested retail price is $28, so ideally I saved $20 from Puma. So that goes with that. Next, I got these pants from the brand Avocado. $8, originally $19.99. Just like this grayish color. And again, ribbed at the waist. This is a size small. I hope they fit. Oh, those other pants are a extra small. So I hope these fit. This waist looks pretty big, but we shall see. And to match that, I got this bra top from Harmony Balance. It's like tie-dye. Thought that would be real cute. This is the front of it. Like, I'm trying to be cute to do workouts at home. I got it for $6, originally $12.99. MSRP price, $38. This, $38? No. And this is exactly why I buy this stuff on clearance. And lastly, I got these shorts from Danskin. And $6, originally $12.99. Danskin price or wherever they got these from for $19. Just some gray shorts with specks of white in them. And to go with that, I got this white bra top from Gotex. It's a basic white bra top. That's the back. Bam. And this is in a size extra small. And those shorts are a small. So those are the items that I got for my 20% off. See, I didn't do too bad. I think I did really well with pricing, with, you know, what I need. I'm gonna wear those pants. Like, I don't know, like, I'm not gonna feel bad about the things that I buy for myself, because I could have spent a whole lot more money somewhere else. And I am very mindful of the things that I buy. It's just the aftermath. It's just like, I shouldn't feel bad about spending money that I worked for, but I do. Anyway, let me finish cleaning up because it is probably 11 o'clock and I am not working out, so gotta go. Y'all, it is, I don't know, almost 5. I didn't do nothing today that I said I was gonna do. I was about to work out the last time I recorded, and then my sister called, and then my nephews came in here and was talking to her the whole time. My workout did not happen. So I ended up just painting my nails over. And then I was on the phone with a couple people. And then I took a brief little nap. And now here I am. Still looking like this. Waiting for the time for me to get in the shower and be ready. I'm shaving. Don't even mind that, okay? Still in workout clothes. Ignore that too. I don't know what that's about. I did just have a beer. Yeah, today did not go as planned, and I'm just waiting for my next day off at this point. Say hi to Laundry. Hey. You should be familiar with that by now. I'm actually hungry again, but I don't know what I can make to eat. Like, it's nothing. That's not in the freezer. I'm so hungry, and my mother is cooking dinner. Cornichons. And they smell amazing. But I'm sure they won't be ready for a long while, and I'm hungry like right now. I can't believe I've just been like this all day. Like, baby hairs. My nephews are gone now. Okay, so y'all know I don't really believe in, I don't believe in none of these holidays. Like, it's not my thing. When I have kids, I plan on not giving them this false narrative. Okay? But there are children that, you know, have been taught a certain thing and get excited about certain things. I will feed into that because I'm not going to take no kid's excitement away. You know what I'm saying? And people that do take that away from children, I just think that is just so wrong. So wrong. Especially when they're not your kids. And yeah, I would never do that. Like, my nephews were here, they're so excited about this elf on the shelf. Like, they get excited when you move him. Well, I mean, when he moves, they get extremely excited. And I get joy out of seeing that, right? I would never tell them that the damn elf doesn't have any freaking magic. That the elf is not moving himself. Like, I would never tell them that. Like, and I have no right to do so. They're not my kids. They have to go home to their parents who have given them that narrative. I'm not taking that away. You know what I'm saying? So I just feel like if that's something that you do, whether you believe in the holidays or not, or you whatever, don't take that away from nobody else's kid. Like, don't do that. Handle your children and your homes how you want to do it, but don't take that away from nobody else's kid. Because life is too short and too precious, and these are the things, if this is what they were taught from the beginning, that they're going to take with them and remember for the rest of their lives. So do not take that from them. That's all I want to say.
Hey. I got $1 billion. Fuck your